Welcome to my channel, where we explore the science behind healthy and luscious hair. In today's video, we're delving into low-level laser therapy, LLLT, for hair growth. We'll cover the science behind the treatment, its effectiveness, and how it can help you achieve healthier, thicker hair. Understanding LLLT. Low-level laser therapy is a non-invasive and drug-free treatment that stimulates hair follicles, promoting hair growth. It's a technology used in various medical fields and is gaining recognition in hair restoration. How it works for hair growth. LLLT uses low-level lasers or LEDs to irradiate the scalp, stimulating cellular activity, enhancing blood circulation, and awakening dormant hair follicles. Benefits for hair. The treatment is effective and safe. It promotes hair growth, increases hair density, and improves hair quality. The science behind these benefits lies in the cellular and vascular effects of the therapy. Is it right for you? LLLT is suitable for those with androgenetic alopecia, mild to moderate hair loss, or anyone seeking a drug-free alternative. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine if it aligns with your hair goals. Hair growth timeline. LLLT typically requires consistent usage over several months to see noticeable results. Managing expectations is crucial. Maintenance and follow-up. Regular maintenance sessions and follow-ups are essential for sustaining the benefits and maintaining hair growth. If you found this video informative, please like and comment with your thoughts or any questions you may have. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insights into hair health. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.